WRAN Super Hit Weekend.
Great moments in radio. Return with us now as we relive those golden days of yesteryear.
Here we have Radio Wild.
Hi, boys and girls. It's me.
And the other side of the camera.
Yes.
What's our project today, Robert?
Oh, I had to leave the projects, get in my car, and come over here, and then I got this project from President Rich. So apparently, this is something that has sitting on the shelf for years and years and years. I think he said the number was 25 years. So he wants to pass this off to one of his friends, and I'm just gonna. Someone's already done a great deal of work to it. They've already put caps in there. The speaker's been replaced. It's got a regular speaker, but someone actually, I think this is the choke here, and it's got a different audio transformer on it. Some of these coupler bypasses have been replaced. So I'm just going to change out the sweaty caps. We've got a loose tuning string. We got to clean the controls and then do an alignment. And
Sounds good.
put it back in the box, and hopefully it'll be good to go.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
Oh, okay. Yes, exactly.
There's the heating
Okay, good. Leave it there and try the other half.
Well, it's the first time it's been powered
All
up.
the way.
That's a lot of decision making for purely
Up or the other half again.
But I'm distressed about the dial indicator.
Yeah,
It was working.
well, I think I saw once on a text photo and let's see.
Can you see it visually without turning it on? Or is it just one of them ones that...
You can see where it's.
Oh, I see it. It's right here, isn't it? Or is that a line? There it is. There it is, right here.
Yeah.
I can see it move.
Well, let me plug it in and turn it on again. We'll see if it works.
I just saw it back. It's back there. It's
Yeah,
back
but I don't
there.
see how the light from the bulb gets to the cursor that moves. That's what I don't get.
Oh, the light isn't the greatest over here.
Well, it's easier to see in the dark, actually, because it's lit up.
Right.
The pilot light's on.
It's on the main switch.
Did you pay the electric bill? Ruh-roh.
It went from a week, 2 weeks, to 3 weeks.
I must have brought Brad luck because I was just over looking at Matt's new oscilloscope and they ain't working either.
Well, we compromised.
I can see the point right here.
Right,
Well, it was
there.
there.
Should be a corresponding one.
Down low.
Blue and green
But I
dot.
don't see how.
Well, the lights.
Maybe the light went out.
Well, no, the two of them, you can see them. If you look down in here, there's two bulbs, and they're both
Yes.
lit.
Oh,
You can find the way the position is and just lock it into
Absolutely.
medium.
to bang me for this.
So this is the,
Oh, I got 14 amp.
they also
Got
put
680,
a small
6
console.
sweepy.
That's not what it looks like though. So what this one is going into, the same chassis in the console.
So these 6 BQ5s are stereo or is this in push-pull for mono?
Pushy pull.
Pushy pull.
Pushy pull.
It's a stereo model, but you have to hook it up to an amplified speaker.
Gotcha. That sounds good.
This is the condition I got it.
I say, did you make progress with the
Yeah, I fixed the cabinet.
Veneer?
Painted it. Yeah, I glued it back and painted it.
you got there?
This is a Waterman S10A oscilloscope.
Oh, it's a oscilloscope.
Sure is.
Okay.
It's got a bad power switch.
Oh, okay. Let me come around and see if you got anything up there.
This guy's going to give you a cool picture.
Yeah, we got to get a good little pose picture here. We got to get on that plate. Circuit.
That was here.
Yeah.
Here.
Hang on. Is it on or is it off? So we'll go on that pin right there.
We got a generator?
No, it's a little oscilloscope.
Oh.
So we will set you up and then go for ranging here. 5 volts. You got to show the old and the new here.
Ready? Turn on.
We're going to get
okay.
in shot here for his picture. His little bit of video. Come on.
Get vertical.
Are you on here? Oh, there we go.
I keep having to do that.
That's weird. And we don't have any signal yet. Alright, well, I'm on the wrong spot as usual.
No, because I don't have any signal anymore either.
That's what it looks like.
We're on the right thing. We're on the plate too.
See, so that lights up that. And there's a button here that you can.
Yay!
We got the old and the new.
Yes. You guys ever seen the movie 1942 with John Belushi and
1941.
or 1941? Yes. There's a scene in that movie where you see, what was it? Slim Pickens was a Christmas tree salesman. And he's old drunk and he's driving down some dirt road, and the Japanese came out of the submarine. They kidnapped him, and they stuff him into the porthole of the submarine. And he's kicking and screaming, "We kicked your butt in World War I or the Great War or whatever." And then you see this Japanese sailor trying to get a cathedral radio into the hole.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then the subtitle comes out, "We must find a way to make these smaller." So you got bigger, and then smaller, bigger, smaller.
It's still pretty small.
WRAN Dover.
Join us again when we bring you those unforgettable great moments in radio.
WRAN Super Hit Weekend.
WRAN 8 minutes before 4 with Charles Blanding on a solid gold weekend.
Yes, Chevrolet and Oldsmobile is #1.
WRAN Sports is brought to you by Jim Salerno Pontiac, 228 East Blackwell Street, corner of South Salem and Dover, where their customers send their friends.